3 tips for increased punch power. First tip for increased punch power is you got to punch through the target. There's no good punching like this. I generated tremendous force in my punch. If I'm pulling back and stopping here, it's not going to be producing power to knock somebody out. You've got to punch through the target. I've got to aim for the back of the bag, even though I'm hitting the front of the bag. You've got to punch through it. Bam! Punching through the target. Now the second tip is you've got to fully extend your arms. When you fully extend your arm, you're going to make full use of the leverage or your reach. So I could be punching through the target, but if I'm not fully extending my arm and I'm punching like this, even though I'm aiming to go through the target, it's still not going to be hard. You've got to use your full leverage. So that's going to be me fully extending. If I fully extend, bam! There's a lot more power. Now the third tip, and arguably the most essential, is use your hips. When you're throwing power shots in boxing, all the power comes from your hips. If you don't use your hips, you're not going to punch hard. If I'm throwing the right hand, I'm going to turn, I'm going to whip it. So when the bag's here, whip it. When I'm throwing the left hook, whip it. Whip it. And when I'm throwing an uppercut, whip it. Whip it. 3 tips for increasing punch power.